With the increasing popularity of digital currency, cryptocurrencies, many people are curious about its basics. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of cryptocurrencies so you may have a better insight of it. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital money that is backed by a network of highly specialized and widely distributed computers. According to Forbes, cryptocurrency exists in more than 5,000 different forms. The most popular versions are Bitcoin and Ethereum. How does it work? It works in the same manner as traditional money to allow transactions between individuals or businesses. All transactions are protected by blockchain technology. One can possess crypto and have access to the funds through a fully integrated network. In most cases, these monies are transferred, retrieved, and kept via a digital wallet app, which is safe since no other than the wallet's owner has access to it. Understanding blockchain technology. The necessity for a central clearing authority is abolished with blockchain technology, and all transactions are validated by participants on their own. As a result, blockchain is a decentralized technology that enables more efficient transactions over peer-to-peer networks. Why do people prefer cryptocurrency? Speculation. Cryptocurrencies are highly speculative. One of the prime reasons to invest in these type of currencies is price appreciation. The returns generated by most of the cryptos are generally risk-adjusted as measured by Sharpe ratio. Wide acceptance. With the rise in popularity, the acceptance of crypto has been enhanced. For example, certain cryptos can be used to buy gift cards and make purchases by loading it into debit card. Low cost of transaction. The cost associated with the transaction of cryptos is usually very low, as it does not need a traditional brick-and-mortar framework to be available. Wealth storage. Cryptos may be utilized as a store of wealth because of its durability and capacity to rise in value over time. The importance of cryptocurrencies cannot be overlooked, since it has the potential to replace conventional kinds of currency owing to its quick, digital, worldwide, and safe transactions. In this essence, it makes record-keeping easier while reducing the danger of data theft.